For every law we believe governs the universe, there exists an anomaly that quietly defies it. We scan the heavens for patterns, for order, for something that confirms our understanding of reality. But the cosmos does not always comply. Sometimes it presents us with objects so profoundly strange they force us to question the very foundations of what we think we know. These are not just distant lights, they are cosmic paradoxes hiding in the deep dark. Number 5. HD 10906b, the Lonely Planet. Far out in the constellation Crux, a young star system harbors a secret. Standard models of planetary formation tell us that giant planets like Jupiter form from a disk of dust and gas swirling around their parent star. They are born close to home. But 13 billion kilometers away from its twin stars, a distance more than 300 times greater than Earth's from the Sun, sits a gas giant 11 times the mass of Jupiter. It shouldn't be there. At that distance, there wasn't enough material to form such a colossal world. It's too far to have been born in place, yet its orbit suggests it hasn't been captured from interstellar space either. HD 10906b exists in a gravitational no-man's land, a ghost in the machine of planetary science. A silent testament to a formation process we have yet to comprehend. Number 4. TREES 2b, the world of eternal twilight. Imagine a planet larger than Jupiter, orbiting so close to its star that its year lasts less than 3 days. You would expect it to glow, reflecting the intense starlight. Yet, TREES 2b is the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of the light that hits it. It is blacker than coal, blacker than fresh asphalt. Astronomers suspect its atmosphere is filled with light-absorbing chemicals or exotic clouds of vaporized sodium and potassium, but the models don't fully explain this profound darkness. The planet is not cold, it is heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius, emitting a faint, menacing red glow like a hot coal floating in the abyss. It is a world perpetually shrouded in a darkness that physics struggles to illuminate. Number 3. Gliese 436b, the burning ice planet. Logic dictates that ice and extreme heat cannot coexist. But in the cosmos, logic is negotiable. Meet Gliese 436b, a Neptune-sized planet orbiting a red dwarf star. It's 20 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun, with a surface temperature soaring to 439 degrees Celsius. And yet this scorching world is believed to be composed largely of ice. The immense gravitational pressure from the planet's core is so powerful that it compresses water molecules into a solid state, despite the blistering heat. It is a form of exotic matter known as hot ice, a world where the fundamental states of matter are twisted into an impossible form. It burns, yet it is frozen. A paradox given planetary form. Number 2, 55 Cancri A, the Diamond Planet. Some 41 light-years away, a super-Earth orbits its star in a blistering 18-hour cycle. Initial observations suggested a water world, but further analysis uncovered something far more bizarre. This planet's star is carbon-rich, and so is the planet itself. Scientists now believe that 55 Cancri A, with a surface temperature hot enough to melt metal, has a crust made of graphite, concealing an interior that is 1/3 pure diamond. Underneath its toxic, hazy atmosphere lies a treasure trove beyond imagination, forged by immense heat and pressure. A planet not of rock and iron, but of crystal. A glittering monument to an alien chemistry that values carbon not as the basis for life, but as the raw material for cosmic jewels. Number 1, PSR J1719-1438b, the ghost of a dead star. What happens when a star dies? Sometimes it leaves behind a phantom. This object orbits a rapidly spinning pulsar, the dense, collapsed core of a massive star. It circles its stellar remnant in just over 2 hours, orbiting so closely it would fit inside our own sun. But this isn't a planet in the traditional sense. Scientists believe it was once a white dwarf star, part of a binary system. The pulsar, with its immense gravity and radiation, siphoned away more than 99% of its companion's mass, stripping it down until all that remained was its crystalline carbon core. It is a planet made from the heart of a dead star, a celestial zombie. It weighs more than Jupiter, but is compressed into a sphere barely half the size. It is no longer a star, but not quite a planet. It is something else entirely, a survivor of a cosmic theft that challenges our very definition of what a planet can be. The universe does not exist to be understood. Its anomalies are not errors in our data, they are features waiting in the darkness. Each impossible world we find is a reminder that our rulebook is a temporary draft written in pencil. The truth is not lost. It simply waits for us to be ready to see it, hiding in plain sight across the silent, endless expanse of the cosmos.